Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve a hyperbola problem. As per the problem, find the equation of the hyperbola whose foci are 2, 2 and 6, 2 and asymptotes are y equals x minus 2 and y equals 6 minus x. Let's start by analyzing the given information. The first step is to identify whether the curves or branches of this hyperbola are side by side or above and below each other. For that, we should plot the given foci points. The given foci points are 2, 2, which is here, and 6, 2, which is here. As you can see, these foci points lie along a horizontal line. That means the curves or the branches of this hyperbola are side by side. The general equation of a hyperbola whose curves or branches are side by side in standard form is x minus h square over a square minus y minus k square over b square equals 1. As per this general equation, the center of the hyperbola is h, k. The center of the hyperbola is the midpoint of the line segment that joins the foci of the hyperbola. We can find the midpoint of the line segment that joins the two given foci points using the midpoint formula. The midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 over 2, comma y1 plus y2 over 2. The given foci points are 2, 2 and 6, 2. We can label one of them as x1, y1, the other one as x2, y2. We can sub in the values in the midpoint formula. Two plus 6 is 8, 2 plus 2 is 4, the midpoint of the line segment joining the foci is 4, 2. So the center of the hyperbola is 4, 2. Therefore, h is equal to 4 and k is equal to 2. Next, we should find the values of a square and b square. For that, we should analyze the given equations of the asymptotes. The given equations are y equals x minus 2 and y equals 6 minus x. As you may know, the equation y equals x minus 2 is in slope y-intercept form. We can rearrange the terms in the other equation to write it in slope y-intercept form. The slope of the asymptote y equals x minus 2 is 1. The slope of the asymptote y equals negative x plus 6 is negative 1. For a hyperbola whose curves or branches are side by side, the slopes of the asymptotes are m equals b over a and m equals negative b over a. If we compare the slopes of the given asymptotes with the formula for slope of the asymptotes, we can see that b over a is equal to 1 and negative b over a is equal to negative 1. From both equations, we get b over a equals 1. We can cross multiply a to the right side of the equation. I get b is equal to a. Next, we can use the equation a square plus b square equals c square. To find the values of a square and b square, we can replace b with a. I get a square plus a square. We can find the value of c from the diagram I drew on the board. We found out that the center of the hyperbola is 4, 2, which is this point. C value is the distance from the center of the hyperbola to either of the two foci. So this distance here is equal to C, and this distance is equal to C. As we can see in this diagram, C is equal to 2. So we should replace C with 2 in this equation. A square plus a square is equal to 2a square. 2 square is equal to 4. We should divide both sides by 2. I get a square equals 2. Since a is equal to b, b square is also equal to 2. Now we can use the values of h, k, a square and b square to write the equation. I get x minus 4 square over 2 minus y minus 2 square over 2 equals 1. This is the equation of the hyperbola in standard form. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.